Time now for Dollars and Cents, a weekly segment where I answer your money questions and help you navigate a changing economy. Tonight, we have some good news about junk fees. Remember, I've been telling you about all those extra annoying fees tacked on to purchases like hotel rooms, concert tickets, and credit cards. Now, some of those fees are capped. The government stepped in, saying credit card late payment fees must go down. An expert I talked with says this is a huge help, but some big financial pitfalls haven't gone away.
It is good news for consumers.
Just this spring, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau placed a cap on credit card companies for their late fees, capping late fees at $8. That's down from an industry standard of $32.
For anybody who's experienced, carrying credit card debt and then not being able to pay it on time, incurring something around like a $30+ fee really hurts.
Why the change? The Bureau says late fees cost American households more than $14 billion a year. It says this new regulation will save consumers more than $10 billion annually. It's all part of the Biden administration's war on junk fees.
What was happening was that credit card companies were just kind of almost carte blanche, raising them, not necessarily connected to inflation, but raising them until they got exorbitant.
But be warned, a lower late fee doesn't mean you should be late. Even though the late fee amount has gone down from around $32 to $8, you're also still responsible for paying interest. So let's say you buy whatever this thing is online for $100 with your credit card and you don't pay it off on time. You could be charged an $8 late fee plus 22% interest on that $100 price. Meaning you could spend $130 on this thingamabob, $30 more than you did when you first bought it.
There's a lot of permission that we can give ourselves, but we want to remember the overall impact of late payments on credit. It's not just about the fees, it's also about the credit score.
Late payments play a big role in your credit score. NerdWallet says a payment more than 30 days past due can knock as many as 100 points off your credit score.
I would recommend that everybody kind of comes back to basics, takes another look at all their income and all their expenses, getting re-grounded in what it is they're working with month to month, and understanding that every time they choose to put something on credit, it's something that has added consequences.
Now, you should know some credit cards have done away with late fees altogether, but double check the fine print because, Chris, people could be penalized in other ways.
Something to keep in mind. Talk about how so.
Yeah, besides those potential impacts on your credit card and your credit score that I mentioned earlier, you're going to want to know this. This new change doesn't prevent credit card companies from raising your interest rate or reducing your credit limits. So as they say, there is no such thing as a free lunch. It comes with consequences, right? There's an ebb and flow with these things.
And we know interest rates were already high. That's the last thing we need. You can read more on abc10.com.